Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by making sure Snap is active. Open Settings, go to System, then Multitasking and enable Snap Windows. This ensures layouts work reliably. Once done, open the apps you'll tile. To begin arranging, press Win+Z or hover the cursor over the Maximize button to reveal layout choices. Choose a layout and click a zone to place the current window. This first step locks the workspace foundation, so subsequent snaps behave predictably and save you time. Next, focus on execution. After choosing a layout, click each empty zone to snap additional apps. This method guarantees precise placement and avoids overlapping. If a window is in the wrong spot, use Win+Left or Win+Right to shove it between zones quickly. Make sure to resize within a zone if content needs more room. Drag the divider to adjust proportionally. Once layouts feel right, use Task View or Snap Groups to recall your arrangement for productive sessions later. To finish, save the setup. Hover the taskbar thumbnail to access Snap Groups and click to restore the full layout later. This preserves your workflow. Make final sizing tweaks by dragging dividers so content fits comfortably. If something goes wrong, snap not appearing, layouts missing, open settings to confirm multitasking is enabled, sign out or restart Windows Explorer and try again. That resolves most issues quickly. If not, reboot and check for updates, because outdated builds occasionally break Snap behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.